What's up, guys? We're back. Today is the first part of the mini river tour. Yeah, so that being said, we're gonna go meet Tyler at, where are we going? We're going to, Squanicook River in Mason, New Hampshire. Fat truck. But, yeah. This is, oh my God. Mason, New Hampshire is where I used to live. It's where Tyler lives. We used to live right next to each other, but this river is right near there, and they stock it with rainbow trout every year. There's natural brown trout in there, natural brook trout, and apparently it's pretty good. It's not as pressured as Still River, where we've been going, so yeah, I'm not the best fly fisherman, but I'm gonna learn a lot today from Ty. So once we get there, we'll get the lines in and hopefully get on some fish. Alright, well, we just arrived. I don't know where Ty is. This is his car. I think that might be him down there. Not sure. Just pop the trunk. I think that is him. I don't know. I'm gonna throw a sweatshirt on because it's pretty damn windy. But get my fly rod, flies, and I'm gonna walk down there. See you down there. Alright, guys. I'm gonna talk a little quieter because Ty's right down there. He's gonna go fish that part. I'm gonna fish over here, and yeah, hopefully one of us gets something. Keep you guys updated. We're gonna try to stay as quiet as we can so we don't spook fish, but that's the plan for now, folks. Yeah. I just pulled the leader out instead of trying to cast it out because casting it out is a force. You gotta go real slow in these pools. Alright, guys, new spot. Just get the crap off this. We got a nice ball head here. That's what we're using. So I'm gonna make my way in. I'm honestly just gonna stand right about whenever it flattens out. Probably here. That was a pretty crappy cast. Yo, Ty, got one. Oh, he came off. I don't know. It was wiggling my rod good, though. sketch.
Come across.
Is it like good?
Yeah, I mean it's safe. It's just I don't know why they fucking make these holes. It's just for a train, not people. But
You're done. You are done. Oh, wait, bounce up and down. Look at the fucking. Oh.
yeah, that's mad fish. Yeah, you can't see any fish though. Look at that's all dirt.
I bet you could walk on like the rails. Bro. The sketchy part is when you're like over the river.
Yeah.
God damn. What's up?
Look how mossy it is on this side.
It looks so sketchy.
Broken boards.
Oh, bro, hop off. For you. Bro, I hate heights so much. What? Oh my god. This is probably the sketchiest thing I've done in a long time. Oh, how much do you weigh? 200? Oh my god. Holy crap. Whoo! Damn, son. It's gonna be a lot easier to walk up that way and down the river. And let's hope that we don't have some crackhead try and kick us out. Because we're in someone's backyard. Yeah, we're on the line, so it's neither of their property.
This guy's here.
The guy on the left looks like his house looks nice. Yeah. Alright guys, I don't feel like taking the GoPro off my chest, but anyways, 3 o'clock, we're at our second spot. I had one fish on at Squanicook. It's not looking that great right now over there. Don't know why. I've never fished it myself. It's the first time Tyler's fishing, and he said it's not that great. Shut up. Bro, did I tell you that guy ate it down there? Yeah, he like fell completely in. There's gas. Yeah, rumor has it to catch the fish, you have to shove your whole rod under the water. Alright. Not too fast. Actually, I'm gonna go down here where there's no trees in my way.